Jennifer with Jennifer at Home, and I'm super excited you're here today for the Super Bowl Sunday Entertaining Boards collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and myself, Jennifer at Home. These channels, as well as any other participating channels, will be listed below. I'm going to start off by putting our cheese ball together. This is going to be the cheese ball that'll be the cute little football on our cheese board. I'm going to add in some garlic salt and some onion powder. This is so easy to make, and you don't need to put that many ingredients at all. I'm also going to add just a little bit of paprika. This will give our cheese a really nice darker color that'll look closer to the appearance of a football. And the best thing to mix this with is a big metal spoon. I have my cream cheese sitting out, and it's about room temperature. It's getting nice and soft, and the best way to mix it after you put the seasonings in is just to use the back of a big metal spoon. And I put a pot holder underneath so that I can easily turn the bowl as I'm mixing. Now I'm just going to take my spatula and go around into the shape of a football. I gave our pecans a rough chop, and now I'm going to put them in this big shallow bowl. I'm just going to lift our cream cheese with our spatula right into the chopped pecans. Once you get it coated a little bit, you can easily roll it around and stick all of those crushed pecans right onto the cream cheese. Once you get the football shape you're hoping for, just go ahead and put it in a plastic bag or in some plastic wrap. Wrap it up, and then it's time to take it to the refrigerator. For our football tray, I'm going to make a beautiful flower, and I have this little small glass that I got just to make these beautiful flowers. So what you need to do is just take the salami and just put the salami in and fold it over the edge. Then just roll up another piece, open it up, and fold it over the edge. And as you can see, I just start one slightly after the other, and you'll see that the flower shape starts to take form right around the edges. Now that that's all done, we're just gonna slide this right off, and we'll have a beautiful salami rose for our football tray. I'm going to put down a piece of wax paper right on here so that I can put all of these things right on the board. On to our next wonderful little treat for our cutting board. I have a piece of salami and a mozzarella cheese stick. I'm just going to wrap this salami right around the cheese stick, and the salami actually sticks to itself, so it makes a really nice treat to pick up. I'm just going to use these little dishes to put all of my cheeses, olives, and pickles in. We bought these extra large olives, and these are actually jalapeno garlic. It is time to fix up our cheese ball. This has been in the refrigerator for a few hours, and it's really nice and set. I'm going to take a slice of Swiss cheese. We're going to make this look just like a football. So I'll put this down, and this will look just like the stitching on the outside of the football. We have one more thing to add, our crackers. I got these little Flips crackers, and they remind me of little footballs. They're super cute and delicious. They'll be perfect with our football game day board. And now our game day snack board is complete. It'll be perfect when our friends arrive to have all of these treats to share, and we'll be celebrating the game. I know our team is gonna win. I am so happy you're here today. I really had a great time participating in this collaboration and putting together this wonderful entertaining board. I would be so happy if you check out the other channels, and be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.